Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Ngibona imessage lana bafowethu kaBhuti uSithole, uBhuti uSipho Sithole lana uthi what about ukuthi management eKaizer Chiefs isayine uRivaldo Kutsiya ukuthi compete nomthetho kuleya position le, especially ngoJanuary. By the way, uRivaldo Kutsiya i-free agent angasayina nakusasa kuKaizer Chiefs bamregister, so akanayo i-contract nenye i-team bangamsayinisa. Akumelanga ukuthi balinde uJanuary ukuthi bamsayine, but inkinga kaRivaldo Kutsiya unama-injuries. Angaba perfect for their position ukuthi umthetho angabe expected ukuthi adlale each and every game. uRivaldo Kutsiya intelligent, he'll come on the ball, is a good pass off the ball, can even drive a bit forward, and then uzokwazi ukuthi enze ukuthi i-defense eKaizer Chiefs ibe stable, unayo leyo aggression yakhe. But ulimala kakhulu. KuMamelodi Sundowns walimala for a couple of years, but ikabuye aphinda limala, abuye aphinda limala. Guess what? Manje njengoba bokuyi-transfer market, ujime I think nama-team awu-2 are different, but the last one engikhumbulayo iSkhukhune United. La phinde walimala futhi. So kuzoba i-risk enkulu for iKaizer Chiefs. Already badila nama-injuries amaningi bafowethu ukuthi ba-add umuntu ofana noRivaldo Kutsiya to the team. Angakwazi ukuyisiza iKaizer Chiefs unless yazi kumele iKaizer Chiefs ingazifaki lese under pressure too much. If kuyenzeka lese ifuna ukuya umsane ngoJanuary, ivele imnike 6 months contract, ibe yazi ukuthi kumele aziprove kule contract, akusimali enkulu ezolimaza iKaizer Chiefs if umdlali uyalimala, so bamnike lo 6 months kuphela or lo 5 months kuphela, babone ukuthi ngeke alimale na uzokwazi ukudlala ama-game, uzokwazi ukurecovera in time, zonke lezo zinto lezo. Yeah, bangamzama for a short term, not for a long term, otherwise bazosola. uRivaldo Kutsiya bafethu, I think is approaching 30, ngathi he was born in 96 if angenzi iphutha. So isikhathi sisekhona, but ama-injuries ayamlimaza kakhulu. Yini into, what can Rivaldo Kutsiya really bring to iKaizer Chiefs bafethu? uRivaldo Kutsiya siyakhumbula ukuthi is one of the record holders in terms of like ku-PSL, ukuthi wadlala emncane kakhulu laphana ku-Ajax Cape Town, but i-Ajax Cape Town siyazi bafethu ukuthi inama-record in terms of like uku-introduce abafana abancane laphana ku-PSL. Akusiwuye uRivaldo Kutsiya even ohold i-record, khona wadlala no-15 something, approach i-16 laphana ku-Ajax Cape Town, but-ke wadume no-17 already belaphana kubafana bafana, simbona ukuthi uyakwazi ngempela ukudlala. And wayefuna ithi one of the biggest teams laphana e-Europe bafethu i-Celtic. Guess what? Waya ku-medical. Inkinga yaqala lapho, waya ku-medical, wafailile i-medical. Kusho ukuthi be-injury yakhe bafethu i-long term yaqala kudala. iMamelodi Sundowns imsayina nje i-believe ukuthi uzo-recover ngelinye ilanga and then akwazi ukudlala kuMamelodi Sundowns. Ufika uMamelodi Sundowns already team yase-Scotland, i-Celtic ibonile ukuthi kunenkinga e-serious, yaphula out of the deal. Ngabe udlale e-Europe, ngabe udlale e-Europe impilo yakhe yonke lo muntu lo, because of talent ebelikhona. So yena uhlakaniphile kakhulu, une-composure, just that nje ukuthi u-unlucky ngendaba i-greatness yakhe ukuthi singamboni isikhathi esiningi indaba zama-injuries. But manje njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uyi-free agent, akana-club, akana-contract, uyi-talent nje elilinde ukuthi bamnike mhlampe i-chance yokugcina-ke bafowethu ukuthi adlale ku-professional setup. But njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uthintekile laphana ama-German neSkhukhune United, sobona ukuthi leya nto uzoba out for isikhathi esingakanani. But iKaizer Chiefs mhlampe kungaba i-chance yakho ukuthi a-revive i-career yakhe, but njengoba bengishilo ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs idila nama-injuries amaningi, they can't just sign umuntu ozohlala ebhenjini. But le move le if ingenzeka ukuthi aye laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, angakwazi uku-stabilize laphana eKaizer Chiefs ku-defense nako-midfielder, because uyakwazi ukuba i-bridge between the two, and then uyakwazi futhi ukuya ku-back four. So is way better than obvious umthetho in terms of immaturity yakhe on the ball, because of ukhulele naku-academy, siyalazi ithalente lakhe bafethu. Yeah, ijeni yakhe sad, this is sad ukuthi ijeni yakhe iqale laphana kulo ku-Cape Town, ku-Cape Town Spurs, but beku-Ajax Cape Town, then kulaba sports khona ithalente lakhe. Wavele wakhula ngokushesha umfana, and then he just became one of the biggest stars or the brightest young stars ku-PSL. Uyakwazi uku-read igame kahle. I mean like uyi-centre back aphinde abe i-midfielder, decision making yakhe correct isikhathi esiningi, precision yephasi, kunama-advantages amaningi ukuthi angasiza iKaizer Chiefs. iKaizer Chiefs laphana ku-midfielder bafethu iluze amabhola kalula. uRivaldo Kutsiya angakwazi ukuba i-protector of the ball, yabo, abe yi-anchor laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uzoba i-playmaker, but guess what, elidlala deep laphana ku-midfielder, same position as uLokhujana Umthetho, but-ke yena njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uyakwazi, i-decision making yakhe i-way better than nikaMthetho. So yeah, injury yakhe bafethu, because manje kubuhlungu, because I can't even talk about for a minute or two ngingafakanga i-injury yakhe cause yinto emstopha i-career yakhe and abanye abantu bathi hhayi maka-retire ayikho phela le ndaba yakhe. Ukuthi uzohlezi elimele umuntu already ku-transfer market selimale kawu-2. Mamelodi Sundowns baze bamrelease but iMamelodi Sundowns bafowethu imsizile and then ibe patient ngayo for isikhathi eside, imlinda ukuthi abuye adlale lawo ma-game ambalwa aphinde alimale futhi. It's sad uma ubheka i-career yakhe ukuthi ihambe kanjani laphana. Umfana beka-promising kangaka wavela, he was 17 I think the first time I saw him. But-ke under ulokhunjana ucoach Pitso Mosimane uPitso Mosimane bemthemba umfana laphana, emdlalisa laphana as i-centre back, aphinde amuve ku-midfielder laphana kuMamelodi Sundowns, depending ukuthi badlala ne-team enjani, ezodlala ibhola elinjani, boyibona i-versatility yakhe. But yeah, holding midfielder kula angadlala kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, akwazi ukucontrola i-tempo ye-game, protect i-defense. Angaba i-heartbeat ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Do they need another umuntu odila nama-injuries? I don't know. Umthetho but udinga umuntu bafethu ozokhompitha naye. Asibeni sure, asiyibeke nje straight. Uzodinga umuntu ozokhompitha naye cause khona ama-game umthetho uyi-fighter ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyayisiza i-defense, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, but kunama-game la ukuthola ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-dominator i-position yiyo kuphela. Angihlezi ngenza i-reference ngale game la against AmaZulu, i-Kaizer Chiefs they could not get ama-results but AmaZulu bewa-defender from the first minute to 90 minutes because i-pressure before i-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-too much, but still Kaizer Chiefs they were not able to score. So badinga-ke ama-midfielders aka-creative isikhathi esiningi, umuntu ozokwazi ukucontrol ibhola kahle mayeliphethe, akwazi ukuphasa kahle. So umthetho uyakwazi ukurecover ibhola obvious, but-ke ama-passes wakhe siyazi ukuthi awekho mahle. Siyawazi umsebenzi wakhe, abanye bathi umsebenzi wakhe bese ukumaka nje kuphela and then aphase i-short pass, but uRivaldo Coetzee angabanika different thing laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Team desperate njenge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi win ama-games, I think he could be one of the leaders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs laphana esiswini. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs ingazama ama-combinations a-different laphana. Ama-co-coaches wabo asazi ukuthi azobe khona ngoJanuary, but it would depend ngokuthi baya-qualify ku-CAF Confederations Cup overall. Yeah, i-anchor yangempela bafethu edlala deep, they're missing that. As much as umthetho bambona, but there are games njengoba bengishilo ukuthi umthetho angeke alunge kuwo because Kaizer Chiefs i-attack njalo, umthetho akanayo leyo creativity leyo. Yeah, kunzima, kunzima impela, baningi laphana esiswini ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akakadlali noLebong Maboy. Sobona ngempela cause uyalimala ukulimala uRivaldo Coetzee, but uza ne-experience, i-IQ level yakhe i-high bafowethu, which is laphana esiswini i-Kaizer Chiefs ayinayo lo IQ level. Abamnike i-6 months contract, ibe performance based kuphela. Bazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi i-risk inkulu yokuthi aphinda abe injured, but bazi ukuthi una 6 months contract nje kuphela. Kube nama-low risk, if kuyasebenza ukuthi akalimali kuleyo 6 months, at least i-Kaizer Chiefs izo-benefit. Bangavele nje bathi bamnike i-3-year contract, that would be just be a waste of money, not knowing ukuthi uzokwazi ukusurvive i-3 months, i-6 months, lo money 3 years na. So yeah, they just need to give him couple of months, bamzame if bayamzama bafethu. But yeah, sibambelana kwamanje bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.